I think we need to jump the fence to get out.
Definitely did not wear the right shoes.
Dangerous zone. No swimming, buddy.
Because if you swim that way, you'll go off a waterfall. Next, we are going to be going to another Pueblo Mágico. It's called Tapalpa, and it's a mountain town that's supposed to be very pretty, so we are excited to go check it out. Wow. We are getting really high up over a valley. The views are awesome. I believe we're entering what's called the mountain zone, and it is just very pretty. It's very different than what we've been seeing in the last couple months.
We just stopped on a little pullover here to look at the really cool view. There's also a fire straight ahead. We've heard that there are some forest fires in the area, but they're also burning sugarcane right now, and we don't know which one it is, but we'll keep going. Hopefully it's okay.
Oh, there we're at Tapalpa.
Oh, look at that.
So we are climbing in the mountains, and we just checked on our sat phone and found out that we are at 2,200 meters of elevation. And back in 2020, we drove through the Rockies to a place called the Icefields Parkway, where they have permanent icefield glaciers that are some of the biggest in North America. And the road there is at the same elevation as we are right now. So we are at the elevation where there are permanent ice fields. We're just so far south that it's 35 degrees and tropical. So it's very interesting and very different. Oh my god, these are amazing. Oh, they say what they are on them.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I have such a sweet tooth. All the time, but right now as well.
So on the drive in, we saw lots of signs for pitaya, and we didn't know what it was, but we just found a lady selling them on the street there, and it's this fruit. So it's kind of spiky on the outside, and on the inside it's neon pink, and you just kind of crack it open, and you can eat it.
Tastes kind of like kiwi, but more fruity.
More fruity.
Fun. So we spent the day exploring the town of Tapala. What's the town called? Tapala? Tapalpa. So we spent the day exploring the town of Tapalpa itself. It has a beautiful main square, 2 beautiful churches, and some really nice restaurants and bakeries. Pause for dramatic traffic. Now we are going to be heading to a massive waterfall that's in the area. It's 105 meters tall and is supposed to be a large canyon. So we are going to head there for the night. We should be able to sleep there and then hike to the waterfall in the morning.
We're just stuck in traffic. So the hike we're doing is about 3.5 kilometers round trip out and back, and it is to a waterfall. So there's barbed wire here, but there's also an arrow, and all trails says it's this way, so we're just jumping over the barbed wire.
You okay?
I'm great.
As with most hikes we've done in Mexico, it's very hard to figure out which route's the right one. All Trails is a bit off where GPS is, and there's 2 routes. So I think we took the wrong one. We're gonna head back and try the other one. Pretty much on the trail.
Here we go.
So we think after 2 wrong turns that we are now on the right path. So when we hike, we always have the All Trails map downloaded so we can find the map. And we have our sat phone so that if we get lost, we can call for help.
Which is proving pretty handy on this hike since we've taken the wrong turn about 3 or 4 times already. So now we are making this steep climb down into the canyon to where the river was that we could see from the lookout back there. There's 2 waterfalls here, Upper and Lower Falls. We just saw Lower Falls and we're just making our way over to go see the Upper Falls now.
Very pretty.
Zona de peligro, danger zone. No swimming, buddy.
It's because if you swim that way, you'll go off a waterfall.
So the first half of the hike was hiking all the way down into the canyon to see the waterfall. But now we have to make the climb back out. So let's go. Good boy, Finley. Keep going. Good job, buddy. This hike, it's not far, it's only like 3 kilometers, but we're already a mile up in elevation and we're making a steep climb right now. So it's not far, but it's hard. My lungs are working. There's also been forest fires in the area, so the air isn't the greatest, but we're almost there. We've got one little push and then we'll be back to the top.
So we made it up the last steep spot. We have come up a couple hundred meters in elevation now. Because we got turned around at the beginning, this hike is a bit longer than it's supposed to be. So we're just taking a break under the shaded tarp that somebody put up. And then we are going to head back now that we are done the hard part.
We were questioning why there were so many benches on the way down. It's for the way back up. We're getting there.
See the van.
Great, buddy. Sliding door. Good boy. We made it. Was that good, Finnley? Did you enjoy that? There's a popular tourist attraction here called the Piedrotas, which is just outside of Tapalpa. We are driving there now because we're hoping that we will be able to park there and then go see the landmark in the morning. Entrada.
This would be an excellent time for leveling blocks.
Look how pretty this is. So we're allowed to park in the parking lot for the night. It was 50 pesos and the attraction is still open. So we're gonna go for a walk.
So we're here in Valle de Los Enigmas at Las Piedrotas, which are a giant rock formation that is super cool, that we'd never heard of before, and that is absolutely stunning. It's set in a beautiful valley, and it's a totally different climate from where we just were.
Cool.
I don't want to be standing over there.
We just climbed through that hole. Hi, Finny.
It's so quiet and the breeze is really nice.
Hello.
I have a cow whisper.
Are you mocking the cow?
Move.
Hello, Miss Cow. I think we'll go this way. Hello. You have a lovely home, Miss Cow. Isn't this pretty, Finnley?
Come here, Finnley. Come.
Definitely do not wear the right shoes for this. Don't recommend wearing Birkenstocks. Everybody. My logic is you can't fall if you're already on the ground. Yay!
Because we're so high up in the mountains, it is a really nice springtime temperature. It is a little bit cool, but really nice, and it's a great change after the blistering temperatures we had in Tequila and Guadalajara.
There is a tiny little tree up there. So we weren't sure what to expect when we made the drive up here, but this is pretty cool.
I'll take a...
Oh, there she is.
take a selfie.
So we are the only ones here and they padlocked the gate, so I think we need to jump the fence to get out.
Okay, are you okay jumping the fence?
Yep. Finley, come. Come on. Oh, good job, buddy. Nice work. Good boy.
Told you could do it. Oh wow, these are getting my pants really dirty.
Good morning. We had a wonderful sleep last night here in the parking lot on top of the mountain. It was nice and quiet, and it got quite a bit cooler last night than what we have been experiencing here on the mainland. It hit about 12 degrees last night. And this morning is nice and sunny, and we hopped up on the rooftop deck so that we could enjoy the morning view with our coffee, because look at this view. Hey bud, ready to drive? Ready to go? What you doing, babe? We're just making our way back down the mountain, and a rainstorm started, and we just realized this is the first time we've seen rain since we were in Oregon almost 6 months ago. How's the rainy season?
Good. I grew up in a rainforest. It's weird being this dry for this long.
We've been having a really great time exploring Mexico. We absolutely love it here. We've been here for about 5.5 months, and our visa only allows us to stay for 6 months at one time. So instead of rushing through the rest of the country, we have decided we're going to fly from Guadalajara back to Canada so we can visit family for a couple weeks, and then when we return, we'll have a brand new FMM visa that allows us to stay for 6 more months. While we're gone, Finnley will be going into a doggy hotel, and the van will be in storage, and then when we return, we'll all continue traveling through Mexico. So thanks for watching this video, and we will see you when we get back from Canada. Bye!